it's Sandra, and today I want to show you a bunch of polish from Madam Glams. Now, these are all complimentary. I did not order most of these colors. I did order some of them. And I have some that are not even sets of anything, just random colors. But I ended up with 4, 6. I have 12 bottles of gel polish from Madam Glam. They didn't all come at one time. And I have one that was an actual set. So we're going to go through these. And the first things I'm going to show you are the actual cat eye gel polish. And I have one that is Lime Flash and the other one is Wine and Berries. Now, these were complimentary. And if you've never ordered anything from Madam Glam and you like gel polish, I think they even have regular polish, you want to order from them. Their polish is great. Their gel polish is wonderful. So, and the colors are bright. They're very opaque. They're easy to apply. It just goes on and on and on. So the first two I'm going to show you are these two magnetic polishes. So we're going to start with this one. Oh, this cap keeps wanting to fall off here. All right. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a green glitter. Very, 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 very glittery. It looks like actually it goes with that set that I had previous done a video on. Okay, so let's put the magnet on it. It's so much glitter. It's crazy. Let me use my other magnet. It's got a little wider magnet on there. Let's see how this one does. I don't really see. Yep, it doesn't look like, I mean, I'm sure it's magnetizing it, but I don't see a big difference. Let's see with this one. Let's do these two. This is another magnetic polish. Let's kind of do these both at the same time here. Okay, you can see it with that one really well. Let me put, I just think the other one is just really, really got a lot of bling in it, and that may be why it's not showing up as well. But let's do a couple coats of that and see how it looks. All right. Let's do another coat here. This Wine and Berries is really pretty. I like the bling in the other one. But as far as magnetic wise, I think the Wine and Berry shows up a little better. Okay, put that back under. Okay, so here's the two magnetic polishes that I just did, Wine and Berries, and then this one is Lime Flash. Lime Flash. And you can see a line a little bit, but like I said, I just think it's got too much glitter in there. But it is a beautiful polish. The green glitter is gorgeous. That would have been great for St. Patty's Day. Okay, so the next collection I want to show you is called Pastel Spritz. And let me show you all the colors first. So we have Pink Daiquiri. We have Cosmo Crush. We have Bellini Rose, it's like a lavender, and then Apple Martini, which is a green. So let's do these. All right, so Apple Martini is first. If I didn't remember to say this, I do have a 35% discount if you are interested in saving some money if you order some polishes, some gel polishes from Madam Glam. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a very pretty pink. You know how crazy I am about pink. And that one is Pink Daiquiri. This one's scooting it right out of the camera. This one's a lighter pink, but very pretty. I like this one. This one is Cosmo Crush. All right, and then the last one I have is Bellini Rose. Just drop the lid. Having problems with lids today. Things sprinting out of my hands. All right, so let's put those under the light. They are a very opaque polish. So even, so I think the one coat covered well, but I'm a firm believer in 2 coats. So if you wanted to, I think you could get away with 1 coat, but I always suggest 2. All right, so let's let that cook for a little bit, and then we'll go back and put a second coat on these. And then I have 6 more polishes to show you. And these are more, the last set of 6 polishes that I have are kind of a neon color. What is in the way? What is in the way? It's not my lights. Is the cord hanging down? Oh, this. Sorry. There we go. Just couldn't figure out what was in the way. Okay, so let's do the other ones. Or let's do the second coat on this. I can zoom this in a little bit more. Okay, so let's start with this one. Very pretty. This is a beautiful collection. I think this is great for spring. I mean, you know, we're used to using all these, doing all these manicures in the darker colors and blues, and, you know, and now we get to go into all these pretty pastels. And even though they're pastels with Madam Glam, you can still see, you still know the color. Even though this, you know, this purpley is very, very light, you can still tell that it is a lavender. So they're really pretty colors, and, you know, all their stuff, all of their gels are easy to use, and they're all extremely opaque. So you don't ever have to worry about, you know, something not showing up very well or streaking, and it all levels really well. There's nothing bad I have to say about Madam Glam gels. And their regular polish. I think they came out with a line of regular polish. I think I showcased them. Their product is really good. Okay, so let's put this down. This for one more cook. And again, so I have Cosmo Crush. I have Bellini Rose. I have Apple Martini. And I have, let me back off, sorry. And I have the last one, Pink Daiquiri, which is my favorite, Pink Daiquiri. All right. Let's put those aside. All right, so here's these. And at the end, I'm going to put top coat on all of them. Okay, so now we got those. So let's go into the next ones. So there's 6 of these. And these are just random colors, I believe. I don't know that they're a part of a set. Tried looking them up, couldn't really find anything. So these colors are Lilac Bloom, Sunshine Love, Tulip Flame, Neon Sun, Mi Taco is Mi Taco, and Mimosa. Okay, so those are all the colors in this one. So I'm going to use this new rack here. All right, first one is going to be Mimosa. And if you can't tell, this is a really bright yellow. Okay, that's number 1. Zoom this down a little bit. Okay. Number 2 is Mi Taco is Mi Taco. This is a beautiful orange. Love orange and yellow, especially at Halloween. I do love orange though. Orange is like one of my favorite colors. Okay. Very pretty. Next one is going to be, let's do the purple next. Next one is Lilac Bloom. Very pretty. And those would be great together, this Lilac Bloom and the one in that other collection that I showed you. Tulip Flame is next in the Spring Spritz. Very pretty. This is pretty too. This is like a coral color. Very pretty. I think it's rightly named. Reminds me of a tulip color. All right, and then let's do this Sunshine Love, which is a light yellow. So you got some nice contrast with the dark yellow and the light yellow. Very pretty. All right, I'm going to put these under the light. And then we're going to do the last neon color. See how that shows up. Got one right here. Let's use this one. This is called Neon Sun. This is really, really neon here. Woof. Need some sunglasses for those, for that one. I think that's really pretty though. I like all these. I like polishes that when you see them, they go, wow. And that is definitely a wow polish. Look at that. I think that might be glow in the dark. It's so wow. Okay, so let's take this one out. We'll do a second coat on this while we bake the neon. All right, so we've got this one, which is a Sunshine Love. Pick up the Tulip one next. Tulip Flame. Let's do the purple. Oh, you know, I think this purple would be really pretty with white polka dots, don't you? Oh, that would be pretty. Purple with white polka dots. Purple. And this one is called Lilac Bloom. Then we'll do Mimosa. It's kind of like a school bus red. Or school bus red. School bus yellow. How about red? Does that look red to you? No. All right. And then the last one, I was thinking about painting my nails red. That's why red came out, is this orange. Very pretty. These are Mi Taco is Mi Taco. All right, so let's look at the neon. Neon is very neon. Let's give that a second coat. Very pretty. Okay. All right, let's start putting some top coat on these. I gotta find my Madam Glam top coat. Okay. Now the top coat that I have for Madam Glam is actually you gotta wipe it. It's not a no wipe top coat. So, very pretty. Okay. Let's put a top coat on these. Okay. Last but not least, we'll put a top coat on these cat eye polishes. Okay, so here are 10 of the polishes. And then we have 2 more. All right, and here's the cat eyes. So those are all the polishes that I've gotten from Madam Glam, complimentary, and they are all very beautiful. I suggest you go on their website, look at all the colors they have. They're all beautiful. Sometimes they're very difficult to be able to tell like exactly what the color is, but any color that you get from them, you will not be disappointed in. And I do like their collections. The Pastel Spritz collection, which was these 4, are really beautiful polishes. So there you have it. Don't forget to use my discount code if you buy anything from Madam Glam. And thanks for watching my video.